guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing some hip opening stretches to help us get your splits. So if you've been on the journey to trying to get your splits or to open up your hips more, then this video is for you. Let's get right into the mat. The first pose I usually like to start with, I like to do a little bit of warm up, and I'm going to be sharing with you those poses that I like to do. The first one I like to do is lunge. So whether this, but I like to go low. So low lunge works perfectly for me. So you want to be here and sit into the groin, allow your legs to stretch out, and let's take 5 deep breaths. You can either keep your hands by the side, or if you want to, you can add here for 5, 4, 3, 2. We're going to switch over to the other side. Half split, low lunge, sorry, into the ground. Your hands can be by the side, or you take it up. Whichever works for you for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, from this right leg, we're going to go straight to half split. So you want to come here, because for you to attempt your full split, Hanumatana, you have to try and warm up the hamstring. So we're focusing on stretching the hamstrings, the glute, and then all the way down to the legs. So we're going to go all the way as deep as you can. Always remember to warm up. 10, 9, 8, and also breathe. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, to make it more focused on movement, we're going to go down in, exhale out 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So we're going to try half splits on the other leg. Go. Here, here. 10, 9, 8, 7. Breathe. You usually notice one of your leg is much more flexible than the other. It happens because weight can sometimes not be evenly distributed, and it's just strength and usability and flexibility on either side. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now guys, we are going to come up, inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on, 5. Good. The next pose I like to go for, just to give my legs a break and also to relax my glute, is seated forward fold, which is also known as Paschimottanasana. So in Paschimottanasana, you want to keep your legs pointing up. You want to inhale, and exhale, you want to bow forward in forward fold. Because see, this still stretches your legs, but the support from the ground, the support from the mat, everything adds up. So stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, if your goal is to get your Hanumanasana, which is your split, I'll advise you to do more forward fold consistently, practicing and breathing through it. It pushes you, it also allows you to get familiar with those muscles you usually use, okay? So let's go for inhale, exhale, bow. Beginners, it's okay if you're not reaching here. Even if you reach here, even if you reach here, it's fine. Roll back up again, inhale, exhale, bow. Now one more, we're doing this 3 times. Inhale, reach up, exhale, bow. Stay with me now for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. So guys, we have finished our third pose. We're going to go to our fourth pose, and our fourth pose today is going to be a combination of high and low lizard. So we're going to start with high lizard on the left hand side. So in high lizard, you want to come here and open up, because this is the inner side and this is what you're going to use for your split. So stay with me for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now drop the right knee on the mat, keep your toes flat, and let's go to low lizard. We're going to be here for 10, 9, 8, 7. Beginners, intermediate, and advanced. This works. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, if you want to push it forward, you're going to come here into a twisting lizard. Grab this leg and twist in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You know what it does? It pushes the stretch all the way down to your knees, and that gives you a little stretch on your thighs and your quads. So we're going to come back now. High lizard on the other side. So bring the right foot forward, lean up, stay for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go to low lizard. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If this is the best you can do, stop here. The rest of us, let's go straight to the twist. Go, grab. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, guys. So this is our fourth pose now. The next one I like to do, to just allow the legs to rest a bit, is one leg seated forward, okay? So you want to open up as much as you can. Open up. And it's okay, your leg doesn't have to go as wide all the way. As long as you're stretching the inner thighs, you're breathing through it, and you're just moving your body. So we're going to start by inhaling and exhale. So this is our fifth pose. We're going to wide leg forward, forward. Breathe. 2 more. And the last one in. Now we're going to work with our arms in. We're going to stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, come up. There's another one you can do by supporting the legs. So you can stay here, pushing the legs, massaging the ankles, and letting your hips open up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. And we're out. So guys, this one completes it. We're going to the sixth pose, and the sixth pose I usually do is half pigeon, either recline on the mat or I'll go for a frog pose. But we're going to do all of them together because we want our legs to be as warmed up before we can try the split. Or your goal is to get your split in the next 5 weeks, 6 weeks, whatever it is. Consistently practicing these poses would actually help you. So guys, for the sake of beginners, we're going to do half pigeon in this position, recline, okay? So you're either like this, you're either here, or you're here. We're staying for 10, 9, 8, 7, like a half pigeon, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's try and surrender again so the hip is getting the love. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember that if you have a knee injury, you don't necessarily have to go as low as I'm doing, okay? Stay a little bit up by not putting your body weight on your knees. That works too. Let's go over to the other side. Again, we're walking forward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. You're doing good. Continue. 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in and exhale. If you don't have no knee injury, no problems on your lower limbs, let's go a bit lower. 10. Allow the hips to just surrender to come down a bit. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was such a yummy stretch. Now we're going to go to frog pose. Because you see, frog pose is that pose that really helps you to see how far you can control the pain. So beginners, in this pose, in this yoga channel, I've shared a lot of videos and reasons why frog pose is that pose. Because gravity is acting not from your head, but rather from your back all the way down to your hip because of your position. So there are two ways I like to approach it: rocking forward and backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And guys, no need to glamorize this. It's painful. But the more you breathe through it, the more you are able to push yourself through to absorb more pain and allow your hips to open more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And the last approach is to sit in it, moving your hip all the way low for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Breathe through it. 2, and 1. Good job. The other approach I like to do is to come into half frog. Come into half frog. Let's say we stay there for 5. See, your other leg is in frog. 4, 3. Breathe. 2, and 1. Switch. Try. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, everybody. Come back to frog. Lengthen for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. I bet you our legs are open and ready. But just like me, I'd like to do a little bit of it in a reclined position. So, you know how we did half split? By bringing our knee to chest, almost like a half happy baby. But we're going to lengthen here in reclined split. So anywhere you can reach is completely fine. I like to do this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then I come to half happy baby and see how low I can stretch it. 10, 9, 8. My hips are quite open. 7. I feel it freely. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return. Ooh. Let's go here. Open up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come into half happy baby. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope I don't hit my guitar. 5, 4. I didn't. 3, 2, and 1. Woo. Nice. Guys, you ready? We're going to start out from half split and see how we can go all the way to full split in Hanumatasana. Woo. We're going to catch our breath. Focus now on channeling your energy and seeing that you are ready to try your split. No pressure, no rushing. All right? So envision yourself doing it safely, intentionally, gently, mindfully, breathing through it. Okay, guys, let's go. I'm liking to go from half split all the way. Ooh, it's so easy because I'm so warmed up now. I am warmed up. Hope you are warmed up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to switch. And one thing why doing these hip openings are fine, if you're somebody who always gets sciatica nerve issues, your hips being more open and being more stretched and being more flexible can help you ease that. It can also help if you deal with a lot of back pain, and because we store a lot of tension on our hip. So guys, we're going to try on the other side. Woo. So remember to be a bit more gentle, breathe through it, especially if you have any kind of pain, especially if one leg doesn't seem to be as flexible as the other leg. So stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh. Well done, everybody. We did it. We did it. Well done. You did so good. So guys, we've come to the end of yoga poses that you can practice to enable you advance your split or push your split forward. Remember, it doesn't take it takes a while. It doesn't take a short time. Intentionally, you have to be mindful about it. You have to focus, and you have to be consistent. You have to breathe through it. You have to relax and trust your body that it is ready. So whether you're just starting out your journey to getting your split, or this is just a goal that came up for you and you saw this video, thank you so much for watching. If you want more of this video and some fun vlogs, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave your comments, and I'm going to see you in my other videos. Bye.